Dun it, dun it, dun it, dun it. Touches.
Hi, Dutchy here. I'm going to show you how to fish in LongVinter. If you need a fishing pole, you just come up to one of the vending machines, the red one, which is one that sells to you. Click on it. It's only 59 MK and you start with 100, so you should have more than enough to purchase it. And once you have it, you're going to left click on it to equip it. And the way that you can tell that it's equipped is if you go to your equipment, it'll be in there. And if you want to unequip it, just click on it while it's in your equipment tab. While you're on your equipment tab, and it'll go back into your backpack. So I'm going to re-equip it. Re-equip it. Equip. Yeah. And then you need to find yourself a fishing hole. So we have this fishing hole. I got my fishing rod equipped. I'm just going to left click on the fish and there will be a bouncing E that pops up. Once the E pops up, quickly tap E. There was a tooltip at the top, but I didn't see it because it pops up so fast. Oh, there we go. Perch. Yeah, the tooltip pops up really fast and I didn't see it for the longest time and I had no idea how to fish until yeah, I just didn't see it. But there you go. If you want the better fishing rod, you're gonna have to go to, I think, the snowy area and loot it. So there's only two rods so far that I know of, this rod and that other rod, but I don't remember what the rod is called. I hope that was helpful. See you next time. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.